Hi, my name is Hani, and today I'm going to be presenting my final summative of Part A, where my question is: a boat can travel on an average of 7 kilometers per hour while still in water. One trip to the boat takes to the city located 30 kilometers away, takes 9 hours to go there and return back while experiencing river current from both sides of the trip. How fast was the speed of the current? Now, obviously, we know that x is the speed of the current because we don't know what the speed is. So here we know that moving with current is going to be 37 plus 7 over x. 30x over 7 plus x, and moving against current will be 30 over 7 minus x. Now we know that velocity is equal to distance over time, but here we're going to have to rearrange it, so it's going to be time equal to distance over velocity. So the first thing we're going to do to make our step is to add these two digits together, plus 37 minus x, which will be equal to 9. Now we know that 9 is right over here, and that's the time it takes to go there and return back. So we're going to move this to a left side then. Minus 9. Now that we got that, we're gonna have to make this a common, because if we don't make it a common, then it's not gonna be able to proceed forward, and we can't solve it further. So we have to make this a common denominator and a numerator. Doesn't matter whatever value it is. Minus 9, 7 plus x, 7 minus x, equal to 0. 7 plus x, 7 minus x. Now, once we solve that, we know 30 times 7 is 210 minus 30x. Then we have plus 210 plus 30x. Then we have minus 63. That's where the tricky stuff's coming in. Minus 9x. And then we have 7 minus x equal to 0. 7 plus x. 7 minus x. We're going to cancel this out because all of this is going to be canceled out evenly, leaving it like this. Now, once we multiply these two together, we're going to get negative 441 plus 63 x minus 63x plus 9x squared plus 420. 7 plus x, 7 minus x equal to 0. Now, once we have that, we know that we can subtract this together. We will get the final thing, which is going to be 9x squared minus 441 plus 420, which will give you 7 plus x, 7 minus x equal to 0, 9 x squared minus 21. Then we have 7 plus x, 7 minus x, which is equal to 0. Now, since we know that 9x squared minus 21, because negative 441 plus 420 is going to equal to negative 21, and then we have 9x squared minus 21. So next step will be to find the x value, because we have made it as low as possible. So this is going to be equal to 0. Next step, we're going to move this to the right side, 21. Now to remove the x to the power of 2, we're going to have to square root this. So 21 over 9, which will give our final answer to be 1.5275 kilometer per hour. 275 kilometer per hour. And if you do this to convert it to 6 digits, then it's going to be x equal to 1.53 kilometers per hour, which will be your speed of the current. Speed of current.